So guys, welcome back to in my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a YouTube thumbnail in a few seconds in free of cost. It is too much easy to create a YouTube thumbnail. So for this one, just you have to go in the canva.com. So Canva is a free website which will provide you different kind of design related things. Okay, so you can get the social media related things, you can get the event related things, different kind of things available, different kind of designs you can get in free of cost. You will get different kind of templates, okay, for your business presentation, website logo, different kind of templates already available inside the canva.com. So for this one, just you have to type the YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so YouTube thumbnail are the different kind of the YouTube thumbnail available. For example, if you are creating a beauty related YouTube channel, then just you have to select the beauty YouTube thumbnail. Okay, then Canva will give you the different window. Then after that you have to choose those kind of categories. So now you can see there are various type of the beauty related thumbnails already available. For example, if I want to use this one, so just you have to click here. Then now you can see here Canva give you this kind of window, and you can change this one. For example, you can give how to uh, how to do how to use sorry how to do perfect hair style. Okay, so like that you can change different kind of content, and you can change the background color also. Okay, so for example, if you want to change the color, it is also easy. After that, just you have to click in the download, and from here you can download this one. But maybe this is the uh, premium types of thumbnail, so that's why you have to choose another types of thumbnail for this one. So for example, if you want to use this one, just you have to click here. Okay, so after do anything, just you have to click download. Then after that you can download this one in free of cost. So if you click here, you can download this one, okay, in free of cost. If you click in the jpg or different kind of things available here, and you can download in free of cost. There are different kind of free types of the thumbnails already available, so that's why you can use this one in free of cost. So in this way you can create your YouTube thumbnail using the canva.com. Okay guys, so it is too much easy and simple to use this one, and you can do different kind of things. So hoping that you get few ideas. So using this method, you can easily create your thumbnail inside your mobile phone or inside your computer using Canva. Thank you so much.